Hey friends, we are going to continue our work with syllable patterns, the final syllable LE in two-syllable words. Remember our rule that says when you find the syllable LE at the end of the word, you must have a consonant before that syllable LE is made, such as in the example, whistle. Whistle has two vowels and two syllables. The first syllable is whis, and the last syllable is tull. Remember, the consonant is part of the LE ending, part of that last syllable. Whistle. If I put the word together, do you hear where it breaks into two syllables? Whis-tull. Let's look at two words. Cattle and title. Pause this video and see if with your learning guide you can break these words into two syllables. All right, let's check how you did. Look at the word cattle. The syllables of this word are cat-tull. The last consonant, T, goes with that ending LE. So I draw a line in between the two T's in cattle. Title. The syllables of this word are tie-tull. I draw a line between the I and the second T because remember that final consonant before the LE has to be added onto the end of the word. Let's practice a little bit more. Listed below are 5 words that I would like you to segment into two syllables or break apart into two syllables with your learning guide. The words are rattle, bundle, struggle, beagle, and cradle. Go ahead and pause this video and see if you can discuss with your learning guide how to break apart these words into two syllables using the final syllable rule, LE. All right, friends, let's check your work. How did you do? In order for me to break apart the word rattle, remember my ending LE has to be preceded or come after that consonant, rattle, rattle. Same thing with the word bundle. See how I have the ending LE and I have a consonant before then? Same with the word struggle, beagle, and cradle. Do you notice the LE at all of these word endings? With a consonant that comes before them. You guys did a great job today breaking words apart into two syllables using the final syllable pattern LE. Now you are going to practice reading a few decodable readers with your learning guides. Good luck today, friends.